Okay, have you guys been watching this show on Paramount Plus? I hope you have. Because since its debut on the video game systems for Xbox 360 and all the other Xbox systems, Halo has become a fantastic first-person shooter. And as you may know, mature, so not really for kids. And people have loved the game. They have played it a lot of times. Then there was disappointment because people wanted a movie of Halo and it never got created. Well, now, 2022, you have on Paramount Plus Halo, the series, which is a fantastic series. So if you don't know the story, you're not familiar with the games, I'll give you a quick synopsis of it. And then I'll explain the reasons why I like this show so much, why I've been watching it, and why it got renewed for season 2, even though season 1's not done yet. So basically, Halo all started off with this game here. And pretty much, if you can see here, this is the actual Halo. And this is basically like an alien sort of planet, sort of like a spaceship. It's got a lot of power and all that. Well, basically what it is the Earth is under attack by these alien races called the Covenant. They want to destroy humans. They want to conquer the universe. And they created these super soldiers called the Spartans. And the main super soldier is the one in green, which is known as the Master Chief. He also runs around with an AI called Cortana. And basically, he runs the whole Spartans and he protects the Earth and protects the humans and fights these Covenant all through the series of games. So you have the basic Halo, Halos 2 and 3, of course. You have Halo 3 ODS. You have Halo Reach, which this is big in the show. And then, of course, you have Halo 4. So basically, it covers the series of Halo, the equipment, the Covenant, the backstories of the characters, things like that. So you can see right here, this is so far season 1. And these are the episodes that are available. Pretty much every Thursday they come out with a new episode. And so I'm not real sure how many episodes they're going to have in season 1, but they've already been renewed for season 2 already. And that is something very good. So not necessarily for kids. This is basically a video game that has a mature rating. So you want to make sure that this is for your older teens, your older adults. But it is a very good sci-fi type of story, especially the show and especially the story on the games themselves. So for all you Halo fans or non-new Halo fans or people who have never heard of it, this is something you might want to check out. Check it out on Paramount Plus. If you got the games, play the games. Very fun. I'll keep you up to date on more stuff on Halo as the season progresses and as season 2 comes out. So I'm not going to give you any spoilers here. Check it out. Watch it on Paramount Plus. And if you guys are not subscribed, because I see some of you guys are not, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will come back and catch you guys with more Halo and more information on more stuff coming out. So I thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you later with more.